Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos. If you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So, hi everyone. Today I want to share with you some accidental gardening that I did. I tried to film this in an earlier video, and the first part of the video was not editable. So I went ahead and today I am doing that part of it over again. All right. Now, what I did was I went to the garden center a couple years back and I planted some blueberries. But these are not just any ordinary blueberries. These were actually blueberries that were in clearance because they were on their last root. All right. And they were almost something that could not be saved. I went ahead and read up on blueberries and planted them. And the following season, I had wonderful and delicious blueberries. Well, since that time, life has been lifing, and I have not had an opportunity to tend to them as I had hoped. So I happened to go outside and check my bin, and to my surprise, I got some awesome looking blueberries. Not a whole lot, but I did get some. Now, I wanted to share that with you guys because it's accidental gardening, and you know what? Sometimes that happens, and it can be a wonderful thing. All right. Now, I do have to warn you because I have not really been tending to the bin as I should have. There are a lot of weeds and other plants that have come up and started to grow, but the blueberries look great and I'm going to go ahead and harvest them. So let's take a look and let me show you. Come with me as I go along and harvest some yummy blueberries. Okay, let's take a look at it.
I'm going to flip my camera so you can see. All right, so here you can see this is the bin that I put it in. It's just a regular bin, but if you look closely, you can see that we have blueberries. Isn't that awesome? And some of them are actually ready to be harvested. So come along with me as I harvest them, okay? I am just so excited. All right, so I'm gonna put the camera down and I'm gonna harvest some blueberries. I am back and I have my blueberries. I am so happy. Take a look. Look at all those blueberries. That's quite a bit. So I am really, really pleased with how this turned out. I'm glad I was able to harvest some and that the birds and whatnot didn't get them. That has happened before. They wait until they're right at the peak of ripeness and then they go ahead and just take all of your berries. So sometimes more is better for you so that you have lots and lots on the bush and you do have to share them whether you want to or not. All right. So I am really happy and I'll come back to you guys later with the weight of these berries and let you know how well I actually did. They are really, really yummy. And it's been raining. They are awesome. Wow. I got them right at the peak of ripeness. So, yes, you can grow blueberries. And sometimes you're an accidental gardener. And when you're not able to tend to them, they actually continue to grow. All right. So, that's all I have for now. I'll go ahead and switch back and then we'll chat a little bit. Okay. All right. That's all I have for this portion. Let's go ahead and take a look at the puzzle solution for the last video that included a puzzle. And this is what I came up with. And this is the puzzle for today. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, for leaving me a comment, for giving me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. I also appreciate you guys for doing the puzzles. I love puzzles, and I see that many of you guys do too. So, to each and every one of you, do everything you can to be mindful, do everything you can to be at your best self. And by all means, guys, be crafty every day. I look forward to seeing you again soon in my next video or one of yours. Bye bye now.